Sarap! The truth is, good food doesn't just taste good. Really good food is good for you, good for society, and good for the environment too. Because there are so many things that are affected by the ways in which we make and distribute food. Kaya sa kakaibang recipe video na ito, we'll take you through some key ingredients for food that's truly good. Good food is good for you. Good dahil masarap at good dahil healthy and nutritious. At hindi sila mutually exclusive From malunggay shake to calamansi pie, there are many new exciting ways to enjoy local fruits and vegetables. Which brings us to ingredient number 2. Locally sourced, ethical, fair trade. These are terms that tell us whether the food we buy helps the local economy at kung fair and just ang pagtrato ng mga manufacturers sa mga workers at farmers nito. Hindi lahat ng pagkain ay ganito, and it's not always simple and easy to find out if the farmers who cultivated our food were given fair wages or if the workers who packaged the food do so in proper working conditions. But as much as we can, we should be more conscious of where our food comes from. Check the label or the company's policy pages. After all, hindi ba mas masarap ang pagkain pag alam mong it comes from a truly good place? Ultimately, our food comes from Mother Nature. Be it fish from the sea or coconuts from a tree, ang natural na yaman ng planet Earth ang nagpapakain sa atin. Kaya, hindi ba tama lang na hindi nakakasama ang pagkuha natin ng pagkain sa kanya? From overfishing to converting forests into croplands, malaki ang environmental impact ng food production. Kaya dapat, mas aware tayo sa pagpili ng pagkain. Mas okay kung naturally grown and sourced. And it doesn't stop there. After eating, importante ring i-minimize ang food waste. Only buy what you need, segregate your trash, and consider building a compost bin for food scraps. And I know, gustuhin man nating maging mas ethically conscious about our food consumption, we are living on a student budget. So paano na? Well, as with any big change, baby steps muna. The little changes, little adjustments we make will add up somehow, making a difference in the long run. So, the next time you're looking for good food, make sure that it's good for you and good for all.